Hey, welcome back to the garage. Today we are going to be hopefully finishing up the pedal box. I'm gonna actually break this video up into 2 more days, but it's gonna be 1 video. I finally decided to buy a professional stand to hold stuff while I paint it. So I'm gonna be unboxing that first, setting it up, and then finishing up the painting. So after the painting's done, we'll put it together and then call this a video. Let's get started. Yo, I like this. That's nice. Thank you for doing that. Now, to be fair, I could have put this together out of, I could have made something out of 2x4s, and I have the 2x4s, but this isn't a woodworking channel, right? We should try to use, professional tools, I think. I just filmed a really in-depth YouTube short video review of this, so make sure to check that out. Alright, I kept a whole bunch of old welding wire for this particular purpose. All I'm doing is making loops like this and twisting them up, and then I'm going to hook them on there. Alright, I'm using, this is the same stuff I used on the dashboard frame. Oh, look at this. Come on. You see this? It's a brand new can, and look at the spray. Come on, Krylon. Alright, so I moved this into the sun to dry. You can see it's got a really poor kind of a texture to it. I gotta tell you, this can of Krylon really left a lot to be desired. What Sleazy's Garage video would be complete without unboxing another several $100s worth of parts from everyone's favorite. Alright, so remember when I was doing the heater box restoration, I asked if anybody made these. I don't know if this is a new thing or not, but apparently they do offer them. So I bought these, desperately needed. This is for the brake switch, new clutch pedal pad, because mine is atrophied. This is a brake switch, new brake pedal switch. While I'm in there, I might as well replace it. This is more brake hardware for the brake pedal switch. So all this goes together. And then just to get my free shipping, I added some armrest plugs. Since we're going to be reusing the control arms that are currently on the vehicle, and also to kind of save a little bit of money, I need to replace these. And the lower ones are going to go here. Those don't fit very well. I'm trying to avoid doing this, but all new. Hold on, we gotta open these. Make sure we got the right parts. Oops. Somebody opened this. $10 says this is the wrong part, or it's something completely really messed up. It looks good, actually. Maybe just the reuse. This is an inner tie rod for the Foxbody. These were both opened, looks like. Okay. Does everything come pre-opened? These are inner and outer tie rods. Oh, okay, so now I'm suddenly awash in jam nuts. Right. This is a little worrisome. This doesn't look like it's going to really stay on. Yeah, some of these parts are like braces for the steering. By the way, it's the second day today. It is Sunday. So I am gonna put these together. This comes out. Yeah, that's what I was afraid of. Paste wax. These. Right here. Okay, so I broke this. I'm going to order new ones before I put this back in the car. But for the purposes of just getting this assembled, I'm going to just put this here. So the rest of this is going to keep this centered, but this is a little bit thicker than here. So I'm just going to continue to shave this down until I can fit it. Yeah, I'm definitely going to replace that. And this will usually get torqued to 19 foot-pounds, but like I said, I'm going to be taking this apart again. Because I want to put that bushing back in. I think that's correct. I still have a washer on it. I think I should have a washer. Alright, so I actually ended up sanding some of this off because these tolerances on this are extraordinarily tight. It's a little bit better now. I'm going to put a little paste wax on here. Just wanted to try something real quick. Okay, looks a little bit better. Let's hit that with a little paste wax. Now, I don't know what this is used for with this. I don't think it's used for this quadrant. So I'm thinking of just removing it altogether. Yeah, I can't imagine that doing anything. Well, it's here if I need it. Yeah, look at that. It does do this. That's weird. Very weird, like, design thing. Off. There we go. I'm going to clean up a little bit and then we'll take some pictures. Here is the finished restoration of my pedal box. Now I want to just quickly apologize because this did not come out as nicely as I was hoping it would. The paint is crap, although I will say this, the paint is actually pretty durable. That said, I am happy with this piece. The brake pedal looks great. The pedal pad itself is a little bit a little weird because it's not what you're expecting from a Mustang. I probably could have done more with some of the hardware. I broke one of the things in here. Now I'm not sure what the spring was for. I think that might have been for the stock quadrant that I had replaced, but I never really removed it. Because I'm pretty sure it's the tension of the clutch cable that holds this back like this, and then you pull it. So there's a pretty good throw on that. And the brake pedal. Of course, I do want to replace that washer though. There's a little bit of, you can hear it. So I'll fix that. Otherwise, again, this is a part no one will ever see. People will only be seeing from here down. And this all looks brand new, basically. Yeah, so again, apologies, this isn't a great restoration. It's better than it was, I will definitely say that. I absolutely think it was better than it was. Alright, so that's gonna wrap this one up. It didn't come out perfect, but you know what, it's much better than it was, and I'm happy for that. For those who want some more close-ups, I'll roll the credits. Next week I have a very special event, so I won't be filming next weekend. After that, we're gonna start finishing up the rear axle and getting it installed, filled up, and getting this thing back on its wheels. Then we'll finish up the brakes. I actually have the front brake kit coming from Foxbody Brakes. That's coming around Tuesday, I believe. Unfortunately, we're gonna have to wait a little bit for that to get installed. Otherwise, thanks for watching. I will see you next time.